Hey everyone, Chris with the Kentucky Woodsman Channel. Went to the mailbox today. Had an unexpected package. This comes from Thomas at Appalachian Adventures. I have no idea what this is. And I wanted to do an unboxing video. So, Thomas, I don't know what you sent, but man, I really appreciate it already. I don't even know what it is. So we'll do an unboxing here. And we'll see what's in the box. I'm excited. Using the Rat Model 1 to open the box. Almost there. All right. That's a survival mug. Survival guide mug. Pretty cool. Sent me a sticker. Says, Merry Christmas, may God bless you, yours this holiday season. Sent me a Buckeye Bushcraft sticker. Something here we'll open here in just a minute. It's a pretty cool mug, guys. Building a campfire, finding cord, make hanging cord, hand drill fire, measuring daylight hours. That's a cool mug. I've never seen one like that. I don't know where you got that, Thomas, but that is really cool. Tells you how to do all this stuff. I guess Thomas knows how much I enjoy coffee, so that's definitely appropriate. And we'll see what's in this package here also. Carabiner. Guess it goes on the mug. Very, very cool. Thomas, buddy, I appreciate it. I really do. I'm sure I'll enjoy a lot of coffee in the very near future out of this. I guess you know how much I enjoy the metal or the steel coffee cups. And this will definitely be a welcomed addition to the coffee mug stable. Thanks, Thomas. Man, I sure appreciate it more than you know. Folks, if you don't know Thomas, go check out his channel. I'll show the sticker again. Appalachian Outdoor Adventures. Look for that logo and you will be sure to be on the right channel. Thomas helps me a whole lot with the spring meet up in the mountains there at Fish Pond. He's been a good friend and just hard to believe. You know, I never met Thomas until found him on YouTube, and he's just been an indispensable asset to this community. Go check out Thomas at Appalachian Outdoor Adventures. You'll be glad you did. We'll see you on down the trail.